Hi! In this tutorial, we will learn about some useful connectivity features of your TFT dashboard. Since it's paired to your smartphone, you're always connected and notifications appear directly on the display. You can also make and receive calls and play music. If you connect a smartphone to your MV Agusta, the sub-menus for calls and music become automatically available. What's more, if you receive SMS, emails, or WhatsApp notifications, they will appear in the lower part of the display. Here's how you can manage phone calls. From the main page, scroll right until you reach the call view. Press OK to enter and scroll through recent calls or through your phone book using the left handlebar control. Simply press to make your selection, press again to initiate the call directly from your dashboard. If you want to listen to some music during your ride, go on the Music sub-menu. Press once to activate the music controls. Here you can pause, change track, activate the shuffle mode, or select the next track from a playlist. Click on the playlist icon, scroll down, and select the track you want to play. You're done! Please remind that the playlist control is available only for music stored on your phone though, and not for streaming services such as Spotify. Now you're ready to enjoy your next trip in comfort and style while stay connected to your world at all times. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and happy rides!